Students, in this video we are going to see problem set 1. Here our question 1 is choose the correct alternative for each of the following question. Our first question is to draw the graph of 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. Find y when x is equal to 1. Here they have given us the value of x and here we have to find out the value of y. So put this value of x in equation number 1 in the given equation. If we put here value of x is equal to 1, then it become 4 multiplied by 1 is nothing but 4. 4 plus 5y is equal to 19. Take 4 to RHS side, then 5y is equal to 19 and 19 minus 4, then 5y is equal to, if we do the subtraction here we get 15. Therefore y is equal to 15 upon 5. That means here we get y is equal to 3. So our option is B. We have solved this type of examples in the exercise. Our next one is for simultaneous equations in variable x and y. Dx is equal to 49, dy is equal to minus 63, d is equal to 7. Then what is x? So by using Cramer's rule, we know that x is equal to dx upon d. Then put the value of dx. Dx is 49 and d is 7. 49 divided by 7, here we get 7. So our answer is first option. Next, example 3 is find the value of determinant 5, 3, minus 7 and minus 4. Here we have to solve this determinant, then do the cross multiplication. 5 multiplied by minus 4 minus 3 multiplied by minus 7. Then 5 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 20 plus 21. Then our answer is 1. So our answer is here, our option is D. Next, question 4 is to solve x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y is equal minus 4 is equal to 0 by determinant method. Find D. So our determinant method is D is equal to a1, b1, a2 and b2. Then put this value of a1, b1, a2 and b2. So a1 is here 1, b1 is 1, a2 is 3 and b2 is minus 2. Then solve this. 1 multiplied by minus 2, it is minus 2, minus 3 multiplied by 1, it is 1. That means here we get minus 2 and minus 3 is minus 5. So our option is C. And the fifth one is ax plus by is equal to C and mx plus ny is equal to D and an not equal to bm. Then these simultaneous equations have only one common solution, that is option 1. Because if an is not equal to bm, then the lines representing the equation intersect each other. So the equation have only one solution. So here our option is 1, A. Now question number 2 is complete the following table to draw the graph of 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. Here the activity is given and we have to solve this activity. That means we have to find out these boxes. And here in the first one x is equal to 5 it is given and in the second y is equal to 0. So using this we have to find out our remaining values. So our given equation is 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. Here in the first one given x is equal to minus 5. So put x is equal to minus 5 in the given equation. Then we get 2 multiplied by minus 5 minus 6y is equal to 3. If we multiply these two, then we get minus 10 minus 6y is equal to 3. Then change this minus 10 to RHS side. Then here minus 6y is equal to 3. Negative will become positive. Then minus 6y is equal to 3 plus 10. Therefore, minus 6y is equal to 13 and y is equal to, change this minus 6 to RHS side, then it will become divide. Therefore, y is equal to minus 13 upon 6. Our final answer is y is equal to minus 13 upon 6. Then here we get y is equal to minus 13 upon 6 and our point becomes minus 5 and minus 13 upon 6. In the second one, y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0 in the given equation. Then we get 2x minus 6 multiplied by 0 is equal to 3. 2x minus, if we multiply 6 multiplied by 0, it will become 0 is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 3. Take this 2 to RHS side. Here it is multiplication. If we take this 2 to RHS side, it becomes divide. So x is equal to 3 upon 2. So our table will become minus 5 and minus 13 upon 6. And our point is minus 5 comma minus 13 upon 6. And here the next box 3 upon 2, 0. And our final answer is 3 upon 2 comma 0. Now our question 4 is, we have to find the value of each of the following determinants. Our determinant is 4, 3, 2 and 7. So here we have to do the cross multiplication. 4 multiplied by 7 minus 3 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 7 is 28 minus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. If we do the subtraction, here we get 22. The final answer is 22.